In Zhongshan, I'm running my own company, Cooka. 2 buttons, so you don't have any problem. Yeah. 0 to 1, 0 to 1. E, this is the carbon-based paste that we put. So let me show you over here. These components have been around for 100 years, and we've improved the technology with some British technology, and this is an improvement of a German part, this is a Japanese part, and this is an American part, and made in China, made in Zhongshan.
我想问一下，一个产品如果说想要出厂的话，需要测试多少次？
So the reason I settled here in this beautiful city of Zhongshan is not just the beautiful environment, but the investment opportunities here. Zhongshan and the Greater Bay Area, so there's a lot of policies and opportunities here in Zhongshan and the Greater Bay Area. But I specifically like Zhongshan because it's a beautiful place and environment for Western people to settle down with their families and their business. And the assistance from the government and our investment, we're doing very, very well here in Zhongshan, and I recommend anybody to come to Zhongshan to open their business.